Beloved members, just think if someone very close to you gave you a valuable item to take care of it. What will you do? You will take absolute care of it up to the time it is returned to that person. The same is the case with life and resources in your possession. It is temporary. We need to hand it back and go to the next world. Therefore, please use your time and resources in a very constructive manner. BCICI CSR committee is coming up with a very innovative idea to engage you. That also according to your convenience. Please join us to contribute back to the society. Thank you.
Over the years, we have been carrying out various impactful social responsibility initiatives. This year as well, we plan to continue that legacy. We would also like to ensure maximum participation of the members in the various activities carried out by us. Later in this video, we will get to know about the key objectives of this year as well as the option for the members to suggest innovative and impactful social responsibility activities, events and competitions which we can conduct. Before that, let's spend a few minutes listening to and being inspired by our own brand ambassadors who have been driving themselves and our members in contributing and creating an impact on the society, the environment and the well-being of our members.
If your house is on fire, would you continue reading your newspaper? Definitely not. Similarly, our planet is on the verge of collapse. Marine ecosystems are dying, there is loss of biodiversity, climate change. All of these are symptoms of our earth in distress. We are destroying our own home. So I decided I can no longer be a mute spectator and I decided to act. My main objective is to promote eco-friendliness and eco-consciousness amongst members, mainly through promoting a zero-waste lifestyle, which we do through the BCICI Earth Warriors group, where we advocate for avoidance of single-use plastics, home composting and effective recycling, and secondly, to ensure the sustainability and eco-friendliness of each and every BCICI event. I would like to encourage all the members to firstly continue to adopt all the zero waste principles which we advocate on the Earth Warriors group in your own personal lives, as well as continue to support our initiatives which we launch as part of the CSR committee and which we will launch in the coming year. And remember, most importantly, no action is too small to make a difference. Thank you.
Hello friends, once again I am in front of you with my boring face, but what to do? It's all about fitness. You all know that the profession has given us great prosperity, fame, name, but it is at the cost of a sedentary lifestyle. And it is our responsibility towards ourselves to improve our fitness so that we can enjoy what we have earned. You just have to take out 60 minutes of your time from that 24 hours to work on yourself. To motivate yourself, you don't have to go anywhere. Just look around and you will find so many members who have transformed themselves by working out on their fitness. And even if you can't find anyone, the chapter is standing strong with you in your journey towards a better fitness. Always remember, friends, a chartered accountant is a better CA if he is a fitter CA. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Vinod Rathi. I would like to introduce all of you about our group Manav Dharma. Manav Dharma is a group of noble people who are selflessly contributing to serve the humanity. Currently, this group has 70 odd members and the majority of the members are our CA fellow members who are regularly contributing for one or another cause. Currently, this group are supporting the activity which is initiated by Indian Community Relief Fund Bahrain, and also we provide dry ration to the labor camp around us. God has been very kind enough to make us capable, so it is our responsibility to serve the human creature around us. When we do such activity without any expectation, this gives us immense pleasure and joy, which is precious and priceless. And this is the reason serves the motivation behind the activities undertaken by our group. Last year, with the leadership of CA Ajay Kumar, it was a positive collaboration to associate with BCICI, and jointly we have done activities to serve the society many times. We are thankful to entire BCICI fraternity for such noble association, and we are continue doing the same this year as well under the leadership of CA Santosh TV. So I would like to urge our fellow members to join this group, share the ideas to serve the humanity better, and support the new initiative which will be taken this year. So thank you for the members who are already supporting our cause and the people who will be joining this year for these initiatives. Thank you.
Dear members, this year the CSR committee will be having 3 objectives, they being environmental awareness, well-being of the members, and social responsibility as a give back to the society. During our year, we will be organizing many events around these objectives, and we look forward to your active support to all our activities, as well as volunteering your invaluable time as a give back to the society.
Along with this video, you would be receiving a link to access the Google form. Please access the form and let us know your areas of interest. We will ensure that you are kept updated and actively involved in all the relevant events, competition and other activities. Also, in the form, please provide us your valuable suggestions regarding CSR activities that you would like us to conduct. Thank you.